In this video, we will learn that how we can use a drag linear layout library. So in the final of this video, we are going to make one app like this. In that, we can drag these text view and image views like this. So now let's start. For that, I am using Java and I am writing this code in Android Studio. So for that, first of all, we have to include that library in our build.gradle file. So I will implement. Okay. So now add this library here and then sync it. It will take some time. Yeah. Now go in XML file. Here we have to use uh, drag linear layout. So for that, just write here drag linear layout. Give some ID to this thing. ID is anything layout. Now here we can define 2 to 3 text views. First of all, one image view. My parent height is 200 dp. Horizontal gravity. Maybe here we can use layout gravity. Center horizontal and source we can use foreground. Yeah, so it is working. Then here we are going to use 2 text view. ID of this text view is text view 1, text view 1, and ID of this text view is text view 2, text view 2, and the ID for this image is simply image view. Just write here image view. Now we have to define all the IDs in the main activity.java file. So for that, first of all, we have to initialize our drag linear layout here. So just write drag linear layout is equal to find view by id I.id dot layout. Okay, it is not calling. So we have to change the id layout of main. Now call here layout of main. Now we have to initialize all the IDs. So for that we can use get child at method here. So we can do a very simple thing here. We can use for loop for int I is equal to 0 to I less than drag linear layout dot get child count. Then we have to increase the count of I with 1. Here we have to get a view that name is child, and then we have to get that child using get child at method. In that we can give that I as a variable, and then we can simply use this function set view draggable. Here we have to initialize 2 things, child and then here also child. Now run this code. Okay, so it is working, but in the background of our text there is no color, so we have to initialize the color also. So padding is 8 dp and background color is purple, anything like 700. copy the same thing and put in this second text view. And one more thing, here this is not wrap on, here we have to use match parent. Here also we have to use match parent. After that we can use one more thing here, that is the text color thing. Text color is white. Here also the text color is white. Also we can give some margin here, like margin top is 4 dp, not 54. Here also the margin top is 4 dp. Now run this code again. Yes, now it is working fine. You can see here that it is perfectly working. Like that we can use drag linear layout library to give a functionality like this in our app. And I will provide this code on my GitHub profile. I will put the link of my GitHub profile in the description below.